I am measuring native bee populations across the state. It will end up being the most detailed survey of native bees in the state to date. And we're focusing on how their populations respond to conservation methods such as planted habitat. At the Waynesville station, this is an example of some of the habitat we're sampling native bees at. So the stations have just been taking otherwise unusable areas of the station and planting wildflowers in order to support pollinators and other insects. I have 18 stations that we're collecting samples from across the state. I love this project. I love bees. There's something new to learn every day. We have over 500 species found in North Carolina, and that number is sure to increase as we discover more. We're finding that these habitats are, in fact, supporting both abundance and diversity of native bees. We've seen an increase in diversity across all 3 years, and a general increase in abundance. It's fluctuated a little bit. And we're also finding that the different regions of the state have different diversities of bees. The bee populations are something that we should keep in mind and focus on supporting. When we simplify habitat or replace it with developments, that takes away any foraging that they might have. So adding habitat such as this can support the populations, and they're a really important insect, so we should focus on it. Planting a pollinator garden by your house is a great way that you can help bees. The important thing is to support a diversity of bees, you need to plant a diversity of flowers. Some bees can be specialists where they only visit a certain kind of flower, others are generalists. So the broader spectrum of plants you can plant, the better, and we're seeing that in the plots. The more diverse flowers we have, the more diversity of bees we have. So this is a question that is really the million-dollar or multi-million-dollar answer. What is the best mix? No one has a specific answer, but there are a couple plants that are known to support pollinators. In our plots, you can see cosmos, coneflower, sunflowers, daisies, black-eyed Susans. All of those are great. Some people also plant buckwheat, things like that. So just a diversity of flowers is really what to look for. For homeowners, it's great to plant flowers in your backyard, in your front yard, really wherever you can. Something is better than nothing. The more development we have, the less forage there are for bees, so it's great to try to replenish that. And also it gives you something to interact with nature. A lot of people don't realize how many kinds of bees there are and how different they can be in size and color and shape. So this can give kids and adults alike a way to interact and learn more.